Then there were other producers, not realizing the delineation between freedom and license, not heeding their responsibilities to the public, who made films which appealed to the baser emotions. We will discuss this type of producer and his product in the reels to follow. This approach in filmmaking was done for the sake of sensationalism, in hopes of big returns at the box office. These were love scenes far too ardent to be considered within the bounds of good taste.